All right, guys. This thing is wild and beautiful. Like, just look at this weapon, guys. Like, it's getting late. We gotta wrap it up. It's Sunday night. We gotta have dinner. But, like, spend like an hour and a half just trying out the different things. Look at these cannons, missile launchers on this back. Like, look at this. I want him to set this up. That very macro. Oh, what? Double missiles.
That's cool.
That's freaking rad. Because I mean, this is the basic, right? The Gundam shield and the regular beam cannon. But you want the good guys right there. Ooh, fat boy fell over. This guy's heavy. All right. Any other thoughts, Jay?
No, it's awesome.
Okay, what's the name of the channel?
MJRL Hobby Stuff.
What's the name of the Instagram?
MJRL Hobby Stuff.
Please follow me at Hawaii Toy Box and I'll post pictures of this wild and wonderful and beautiful toy. Thanks for hanging out with us. Please subscribe, like, tell your friends. We're trying to hit 1,000. It may never happen, but we need your help to try. All right? Oh.
Hit.